Hi, I'm Tony Ingrao, founder of Ingrao Inc, based in New York City. Welcome to 721 North Bonhill, our debut project in LA. Let's get this tour started. Wow. The first thing that you do notice is the expanse. The house has individual spaces, but they all communicate together. This home is made up of 4 levels. You enter on the main living level, which is the entertaining space. The lower level, you have an incredible spa, a gym, an art gallery, a wine cellar. Then on the second level above, you have the bedroom suites. And then on the 4th level, you have an incredible roof terrace that has the views to the ocean. With so many levels to go through, let's get started with the main living area. As you can see, the living space is a wonderful balance of light, air, and expanse. So you feel embraced by the home, but you still have the exterior that is a full part of your interior experience. I love the see-through fireplace. It's my favorite feature of the main space. The see-through fireplace is an element that brings the 2 spaces together. On the other side, you have an amazing bar. And from this side of the room, your connectivity with the previous living room that you saw, you're in the nexus of entertaining. Welcome to the kitchen. So here you have a much more family-oriented space. All the doors retract. You have an indoor-outdoor experience. And we have a travertine panel on the ceiling that punctuates the whole space. I always like to start with an incredible stone, and we were so lucky to find these gorgeous slabs of invisible blue. On the other side of the kitchen, we have these amazing reeded glass cabinets that are really beautiful. And what's great about this space is from this angle, you have a full view of the amazing bar all the way to the family room. This stair is an amazing monument to the modernity of the house. It's a beautiful art piece to walk on, so let's keep this tour going. On this level, we have 5 bedroom suites. However, right now I'm going to focus our attention on the primary suite, which is my favorite. When we designed the home, we said, okay, we're going to make sure that the primary takes advantage of this incredible view of the treetops and the mountains in the distance. We also added coziness of a nice upholstered wall that gives you the richness and envelops you while you're sleeping. If you'll notice, there's a slight uptick in the textures and in the color palette, from the unique sconces to the beautiful wood on the bedside tables. It just makes it feel cohesive and cozy. And when it comes to bathrooms in the primary suite, this one comes with 2. On the one side, we have darker tones, a slightly smaller dressing area, and on the other side, we have brighter tones with a slightly larger dressing area. This is truly a private oasis. Here we are in the pièce de résistance of the property. You're totally on top of the world. You're in the sky. And also what's really nice, from this location, you can see the multiple decks, you can see the swimming pool, you can see the pool house, there's a side yard and lawn. It's a total fantasy, this property. Thank you for stopping by. It's been such a pleasure, and I can't wait to show you my next project.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.